Hello and welcome to this module and our first lesson. In this lesson, I'll introduce you to Python programming language. We'll define Python and explain why it is commonly used in business intelligence and data analysis. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language renowned for its readability, simplicity, and ease of use. Python was developed in the late 1980s, and it has evolved to become a language of choice for developers, data scientists, and professionals across diverse industries. Its design philosophy prioritizes code readability, making it ideal language for both beginners and experienced programmers. Python has emerged as a prominent player in the domain of business intelligence and data analysis. Python is useful in the field of business intelligence and data analysis because of its simplicity, readability, and has an extensive ecosystem of libraries. Additionally, it seamlessly integrates into workflow, offering an array of tools that empower BI professionals to manipulate, explore, and visualize data effectively. There are two important libraries that shows Python's prowess in data analytics. These are NumPy and Pandas. NumPy provides support for large, multidimensional arrays and matrices, facilitating mathematical operations critical to data analysis and BI presentations. On the other hand, Panda extends Python capability by introducing data structures like data frames, which simplify the manipulation and analysis of data structures. Therefore, we'll cover these two libraries and learn how to use them to manipulate and process data.